It landed on you again.
No, I was just like, I wasn't even like,
Look.
Why don't we play this outside so there's more people outside?
Because that's fucking stupid.
No, you guys aren't even...
Let's
Let's play this outside because there's more people outside.
Okay,
then where are we going to spin it on?
the floor?
No.
No,
the
listen,
bench?
you guys.
Oh my god, her nipple.
Oh my god, her nipple.
Her nips, her cheese nips.
Fourth bra?
No, her bra is all up here.
Push down, bro. I'm trying to like Chris, why do you have big tits? Why do you have such big tits?
Okay, come on.
Go after
How do you get them from your sister? Listen,
Why'd you say like
I didn't say school.
Are you really? Are you recording this?
You are.
Let her record what she has to